Hey there. Ready to make your SoFi Money account your financial home base? Setting up direct deposit is the key to unlocking features like early payday and maximizing your account's potential. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. In the SoFi app, go to your SoFi Money account and tap Account Details to find your routing and account numbers. Provide these numbers to your employer's payroll department, just like you would for any checking account. You can often do this through your company's self-service HR portal. SoFi also provides a pre-filled direct deposit form you can download and submit. My crucial pro tip? Look for Get My Pay for early access. With qualifying direct deposit, SoFi's Get My Pay feature can give you access to your paycheck up to 2 days early. It's a fantastic cash flow benefit that comes with making SoFi your primary account. That's how you streamline your finances and potentially get paid sooner. Have you tried getting your paycheck early with a fintech app? What was your experience? Share below. For more guides on optimizing your income, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.